Is your sciatica on fire when you try to stretch your hamstrings? Well, stretching your hamstrings is terrible for sciatica. See, sciatica is a back problem, not a leg problem. So instead of wasting your time focusing where the symptoms are only to make it worse, here are 3 perfect steps to address sciatica at the source. My name is Dr. Grant Elliott. We've helped thousands with low back pain, disc herniation, and sciatica fully recover through our one-on-one online coaching program. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to finally get out of this pain. So first, what is sciatica? Sciatica is typically a burning, nervy, pulling sensation down the back of your leg that is usually caused by impingement on the sciatic nerve. Now, technically, sciatica is a broad term that just means pain down the back of the leg following the track of the sciatic nerve. But most often, it is a result of a disc bulging onto a nerve, directly impacting it and causing that shooting pain. The sciatic nerve is the largest nerve in your body with a diameter of up to 2 centimeters. And if this is being impacted, it can cause a lot of pain anywhere from the low back, through the glute, through the hamstring, calf, foot, or toes. You could have a burning electric shock sensation, a tight pulling sensation, or numbness and tingling anywhere through the leg. These symptoms are most commonly exacerbated when you're sitting for long periods, bending over to put socks and shoes on, or trying to stretch your hamstrings and feeling these symptoms increase and maybe get worse. So let's stop wasting our time and get right to these fixes that have helped thousands of our one-on-one clients in our online program see immediate relief that they were not getting with their local chiros or PTs or massage therapists or anything until now. For our first gentle exercise, you're going to find a couch or a bed. You're going to lay down on your good side with the side of symptoms up. You're going to grab a couple pillows, stack them underneath your lower back with the goal of arching your back towards the ceiling like a C. You're going to support your thighs on the surface and let your knees and feet hang down as to rotate your pelvis. The end goal of this movement is to see that your low back is as arched as possible, within comfort of you, of course, so that we are arching the low back and specifically opening up what's called the IVFs of the low back, the intervertebral foramen. These are the holes on the side of your spine where your nerves exit, and likely if you have sciatica, one of these nerve roots is being hit by a disc bulge or other structure, and it is inflamed and irritated. So by opening that hole up as much as possible in this position, we're taking gravity off the spine, expanding that hole, and letting this nerve breathe. And it's allowing chemical inflammatory irritants to flush out. It can decompress the area. It can decompress the disc in that area too. It can improve blood flow to the region and massively reduce the nerve pain. I recommend you practice deep belly breathing while in this position to enhance your results and to provide a meditative type effect. Hey, real quick, I know you're struggling with pain and obviously want to fix it. So if you just text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, I will send you my free back pain fix demo. Just text that number and you can fix your pain. Thank me later. Back to the show. Now, after we've calmed down the nerve, let's use that exact same bed or couch for our next exercise. Get on your knees with your knees a few feet back, resting your upper body on the bed or couch. Now push your hips forward and down to sink into lumbar extension as far as you can comfortably. Perform this repetitively, trying to sink deeper and deeper each time, getting more and more extension in the lower back while keeping your lower back and glutes totally relaxed. This can help reverse the disc bulge that is pushing onto the nerve and causing that pain. It can improve low back mobility and it can reduce your overall pain very, very fast when this is a part of your sciatica problem. Because remember, sciatica is a back problem, not a leg problem. So we don't want to focus where the symptoms are. We want to focus at the lower back. And this is one of the best movements for most dealing with sciatica issues to help reduce it very quickly by addressing the disc component. Now last, the nerve is feeling better, the disc is feeling better. Now let's stabilize it to help the results last. Down on the ground on all fours, hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips. Pick the knees up a couple inches off the ground. Now straighten one leg at a time, holding for a couple seconds before alternating sides. This is called our single leg bear exercise and is one of my favorite low back, core, hip stability movements that hits so many different areas for a majority of our clients. As you do this, focus on keeping your spine neutral, feeling it in the core, and squeezing the glute as you perform this. This does so many great things for your function and stabilizing your spine. And if for wherever you're at, this is a little bit too advanced, then you can simply regress this by not extending the legs, but holding that bear position for time. This is an extremely low back friendly core exercise that is way harder than it looks. It can improve your stability in so many different places at the same time, so you get a really big bang for your buck. So no more stretching your hamstrings, stretching your piriformis, stretching your calves, just stretching wherever you feel this nerve pulling, because an irritated nerve does not want to be stretched. You can make it worse and prevent you from healing. The exercises I taught you today in this order will help give you relief fast, but you are still missing one main thing. And this one thing has helped our clients on average achieve 37% reduction in their symptoms within as little as one session, and other clients complete pain reduction within as little as 15 days. And this one thing is our centralization process that helps you determine the exact targeted movements needed for your situation, so you are not guessing which things to do on the internet alone. So if you want to dive deeper with me and actually get a structured plan to healing, then all you need to do is text me the word pain to 317-751-9509, and you can get a step-by-step plan to permanently fix your back pain or sciatica following our centralization process. Do it right now so you don't miss the opportunity to finally fix your pain and live the life you deserve, so we can help you just get back to living, avoid surgery, and get this over with. And after you do that, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram at RehabFix for more free daily videos and getting an insight into my life on what I'm doing to keep my back bulletproof. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one, and I'll see some of you in the program real soon.